YouTubery, it's your boy Moski, and I ain't even about to waste y'all time today because these Shadow 10s go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. These flew off of sneakers this morning, just as expected. It was a lot of backdoor activities and things, you feel me? I really hope y'all had a good program for these because, man, you can't be without these. I hope you entered every raffle that you could. I hope you called stores. I hope you I hope you did a lot. I hope you were online. I hope you called stores. I hope you tried on sneakers. I hope you did everything. I hope you went out in the field and tried to get these. They were available on Slam Jam and In this morning. When I checked, my partner put me on. They had my size. You know what I'm saying? Grabbed them. But yeah, these motherfuckers is just too wet though. I hope y'all were able to get sitchy and secure y'all some because man. And if you didn't, hopefully resale ain't too high because you definitely gonna need you some of these. Let's address these babies. These released for $215, and I hope they were very limited. As y'all know, I ain't telling y'all nothing that y'all don't know already. I seen on Twitter that they dropped at Snipes and they dropped at Sheik's online and maybe in store too. I didn't need to go anywhere, you know what I'm saying? But I did hit this morning on Slam Jam. They had my size, so I'm double up shorty over here. You know what I'm saying? It's good. For the most part, these were on the LO. Y'all already expected this because y'all seen what happened with the Steel 10s, bruh. It was the same type of party, I ain't gonna lie. I think mainly boutiques and small little stores had these, depending on where you're at, of course, because everywhere is different in these 50 states. It's been a crazy year. Nike ain't been giving a fuck about us. They've been draining our pockets, doing us dirty, not caring about none of our responsibilities. Godly. But you know, it's a good year for us sneakerheads, new and old. For the old heads, we've been able to get a lot of shit that we've been wanting to get for a long time. Y'all need to be grateful for that. I mean, but these weren't as easy as the rest. They ain't just sitting in stores. With these, you do get a face box, just like we seen with the Steel 10s. You know what I'm saying? You get a face box with shoes and photos and hardwood print, just like, you know, a gym floor, which is crazy. They did their big one on the box. The colors on the shoe include a dark gray nubuck with black leather overlays, and we also get a threaded Jumpman, a threaded red Jumpman on the back. You know what I'm saying? And of course, this is regular 10 shit. We get the accolades of Jordan on the bottom heel with a red Jumpman on the bottom as well. And I know y'all are also pleased with this fact. Yes, there is no toe cap on these. And I guess y'all are happy. I mean, it doesn't really matter to me. I would have copped with or without a toe cap, but I can't lie. It does look kind of wet. You know what I'm saying? It does. Hey, it does look wet compared to these. I mean, these are wet too. Don't get it twisted. But yeah, I could. It really don't matter to me. But aesthetically wise, yes, these do look better. But I would have copped either way, as you can see. Y'all don't like that. Y'all like that. But the thing is, these originally released like this. So leave these alone. These motherfuckers look good. One detail that I do wish they included is that 45 on here, man. I do wish they would have put the 45 on there, bro. That's very iconic. But it's all good, though. it don't really matter. I mean, hey, hopefully we'll be seeing some Chicago 10s or some, you know, 4.5 10s or something like that coming with a 45 in the future. I'll be ready for those. I'm gonna be on my toes for those. I'm gonna be, give me all that. I hope y'all let them sit too. Story behind these Shadow 10s is that these represent the calm before the storm, and basically these are iconic because these were released in honor of Jordan's first retirement, where he played baseball. He went straight to baseball to honor his deceased father. MJ did come back though. This is for y'all YNs. He retired, played some baseball, then he came back and he was wearing Jordan 10s. He wore the Chicago 10s and the Steels when he came back. Y'all know I had to review these. I had to go over these with y'all. I hope y'all had luck to get y'all some, because I want to see everybody win and have sneakers that they want. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all all got these Shadow 10s. But you know your big bro Mo, it's only right to lace these up. Yeah, these could be laced a little better. So I'ma give y'all lacing, and you feel me? Y'all gonna see me. Y'all gonna see me, bruh. I'm dropping the videos for y'all. I ain't gonna stop. It's good. It's good. I got y'all. I mean, anything I have, I'm gonna drop some. I'm going through my whole shit and I'm dropping videos. I don't give a damn. I'm dropping videos for y'all. I appreciate y'all for subscribing to your boy. I really found a new passion, and I enjoy making videos for y'all and teaching y'all what I can, teaching y'all history, talking shit, making y'all laugh, whatever it is. But it's your big bro Mo. I got y'all. It's your big bro Mo. I got y'all. There y'all go, the Shadow 10s. Let me know in the comments if you like the Steel 10s better or the Shadow 10s. And you gotta hit it with the suede brush. You got to groom the pets, bruh. But yeah, y'all, that's it. And always remember, y'all, this shit is by choice, not force, bruh. This shit is by choice, not force, man. Never make somebody be in your life. Whatever, man. Put your feelings in your pocket. It's good. But it's your boy Moski. Hello? With the shoe review and some ism and some words of advice. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next video.